Hello and welcome to today's DSpaceDirect training video. I will be demonstrating how to move content from one collection to another collection. The first step is to log into your repository as an administrator of the two collections at the very least that you'd like to move, if not a site-wide administrator. The next step is to navigate to the community and then to the collection where the content you'd like to move is currently being stored. In this case, it's a collection called images. And you can see that I have a handful, approximately 6 images of flowers that I'd like to move. I'm then going to click on Export Metadata in the context box and download a CSV of the metadata for those items. I'm then going to navigate to the community and the collection to where I'd like to move this content. In this case, it's a collection called Flower Photographs. I'm going to note the ID for this collection, 10673-60. I'm then going to open up the CSV file that I had previously downloaded and change the collection information that had been previously stored to the new collection information to where I'd like to move these items. I'm going to update the CSV file and save those changes on my local machine. And then of course I'm going to exit out of Excel. Once I've saved those changes, I'm going to return to the collection where I'd like to move the content. I'm going to navigate down in the administrative box and click on Import Metadata. I'm then going to choose that CSV file that I just had updated from my local machine and upload it to my repository. I'm then going to be presented with a successful notification and information about the pending changes that I must approve. You can see that the changes are noting that the previous collection was images and now the owning collection, the new collection, is flower photographs, and all the metadata will be moved appropriately. I'm going to apply those changes and the repository tells me that I successfully processed these 6 changes. I'm going to click Return and then go home to the main screen of my repository. And just to double check, I'm going to navigate to my Flower Photographs collection, where you can see now there are 6 items in this collection. And just for the sake of clarity, I'm going to then navigate to the original collection, which was called Images, and you can see that there are no longer items within this collection.